In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search files in OneDrive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to OneDrive on the web, sign in safely, and use the built-in search to quickly locate the file you need. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search box, type OneDrive and look for the official Microsoft OneDrive link. Open it to go to the sign-in page. This method works in any modern browser, and using the official site ensures your files stay secure. Now, log into your OneDrive account. When the sign-in screen appears, type in your account email and click Next. If you're prompted for your password or a verification code, complete that to finish signing in. Keep your credentials private and never enter them on unfamiliar pages. If you have more than one Microsoft account, just make sure you're using the one where your files are stored, whether that's a personal, work, or school account. Once you're in OneDrive, look to the left side of the screen and click My Files. This takes you to your main library where your folders and documents live. Starting here is helpful because it centers the view on your personal files rather than items that were recently opened or shared by others. At the top of the page, you'll see the search bar. Click inside that search bar and begin typing the name of the file you want to find. You don't need the full name. Partial names or keywords usually work well. For example, if you're looking for a presentation called Team Update March, typing Team Update is often enough. You can also include hints like a file extension, such as .docx or .pdf if you remember the type. As you type, OneDrive starts matching results and may suggest items that closely fit your text. This search looks through file names and, in many cases, the contents of documents, which helps when you only remember a phrase from inside the file. If nothing appears, check for spelling differences or try a shorter keyword. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that you started from My Files, which keeps the focus on your own documents. Being specific helps, but even a small fragment of the name can narrow things down quickly. That's all there is to it. Open the OneDrive website, sign in, go to My Files, then use the search bar at the top to type the name of the file you want to find. With these steps, you can locate your documents in seconds and get back to work without digging through folders.